Hi, I'm Mary Gamester and I love transfer painting. So today I'm going to give a demonstration of how I do one of the techniques. I use these particular paints, which you can buy from my website, and you'll see it on Justhands-on.tv. And I mix them myself, and these are the 6 colours I find the most useful. They come with instructions that you'll know exactly how to use them. And you can see they do look very, very dark, but this can turn out to be excitingly bright. Occasionally when I've done it, if it's wet, I will put bubble wrap on, take a print off and print it on the next. Try not to keep your iron still for too long. If you do that while you're having a chat with a friend, you can get an iron-shaped mark on your work, which may not be what you intended. So the other piece of paper I used on a previous occasion, this picked up the colour from this ironing session, and I turned it colour side down onto a fresh piece of cloth